Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. In previous class we have completed 18th block revision, right? Yes. In today's class I'll say you we have essay 1 exam children. Okay. So what is the portion? What all bits will come in the exam? We'll see in today's class children. Okay. Essay 1 portion is block 10, 12, 16, 17 and 18. This already we have done from day 1 to day 10 revision children. Yes, we have done, right? All the blocks revision. These from these blocks only you will write essay 1 revision. Okay children, what all I have given bits for the revision in the revision classes, that bits only you have to going to read. In today's class we will see all these bits, we will read all these bits once again and we will revise all the bits, and some more bits also I am going to show in this video children. You see the video full and read the revision, learn the revision what I am showing today. These bits are only going to come in the exam, means from these bits only are going to come in the exam. Okay, what is the portion children? 10, 12, 16, 17 and 18 children. Okay, learn from these these blocks only. The revision will be the portion will be from reader, classwork and workbook, and in the revision days also I've given only from these 3 books. Okay, now let's learn from these blocks all the revision. Once again we will revise children in today's class. Okay, now everyone open your workbook, classbook and reader. Okay children, let's start the revision. Yes children, essay 1 blocks what we have: 10, 12, 16, 17, 18. These 5 blocks are for essay 1. So now we will read. Already we have done block 10, 12, 16, 17, 18. These blocks revision we have finished. Okay children, once again I will revise all the bits children. Okay, let's start. In this, the other bits also I have told. Watch carefully children. Okay, now from block 10, page number 67, glossary, 68, true or false, and page number 11, bit 2 and 3 we have done. Yes, we will see now. Yes children, block 10, different people, glossaries. Dispensary, a place where people are given treatment and medicines. Factories, places where things are made. Forefathers, parents, grandparents or their parents. High school, a school up to class 12. Ornaments, jewelry or things worn to make something attractive. Primary school, a school up to 5th. Next, we have true or false here. 5 true or false are there. Read it children. Okay. Next, we'll do all the blocks, glossary and the other bits children. Next, we have block 12. What is block 12? Our state. Our state, we have border, jowar and pepper glossary. And we have here choose the correct answer. 2 choose the correct answers are there. Read it children. Okay. Next, turn page and next we have block 16 children. Block 16, read glossary, garbage and governing bodies. Next we have true or false. Read true or false also. Next we have 17th block, glossary, finding direction, glossary, cardinal direction, compass, instrument, location. And next we have true or false. Read this true or false also. And we have 18th block, earth and its neighbors. Astronaut, bulge, evaporate, model. Next we have fill in the blanks here. Read this 5 fill in the blanks children. Okay. Yes children. 10th block, what question answers are there? First one and third one. How do people in cities travel? How do tribal people in India celebrate their festivals? These 2 questions we have from block 10. And from block 12, first and second we have, what are some food items that people eat in Kerala? And what 3 things can monuments tell us about the state we live in? These 2 we have. Next, block 16. In block 16, we have 2 question answers again. Describe the function of Gram Panchayat. Describe the function of municipality. and 17th block. 17th also 2 we have. Why do we need directions? What are the cardinal directions? In 18th block, no question answer from classwork, children. Okay. Now let's do the workbook questions. Once we'll read it. Okay. From block 10, we have page number 11, second bit and third bit. List the things that we find in a small village and those that we find in a large village. We have this question. And do you think people living in villages are healthier than people in cities? Give reason. This question also is there. Next, page number 12, we have first question and fourth question. How are tribal people different from people living in villages? This question, what is the relationship between tribal people and forest? This question we have. In workbook we have finished, children, and I've given extra bit for you in your classwork to write who among these people live in a city and also and who live in a village. Write C for city and V for village. This bit also read it, children. Okay, this will come for the exam. Next we'll do the 12th block. Page number 20, first question we have. Write one thing that the borders of our state tells us about our state. In page number 21, we have second bit and third bit. Many dishes in Manipur use rice. What does this tells us about Manipur? And the table shows dishes made in 2 states. Circle the name of the ingredient that you think grows in the both states. This also we have. Next, page number 23, we have third question. Do you think this man is in a hat? This man, children. In a hot or a cold place. Do you think this part of Kerala is hot or cold? Give reasons. This answer also you have to read. Next, page number 41, children. We have local governing bodies. Page number 41. We have this question, second one. Why do we need a group of people to solve some problems? Give 2 reasons. Yes, children. Now, page number 42. Second question and third question we have. Who can help in making this road better? How? What other types of problems do people in village have? This question also we have. Next, page number 43, we have first question. This full bit. By seeing this picture, you have to answer it. Take the problem that these people are facing. You have to take, and they have given some 3 questions. You have to answer it. Okay, children? By this, volume 2 is finished. 17th and 18th block we have in volume 3 workbook. Let's open the volume 3 workbook. Page number 5, first bit and second bit we have. 1, 2, 3 bits we have, children. Yes? Let's see. Page number 5, 1, 2 we have. Page number 5, 1, 2. By seeing this, you have to write these directions and this also. And next, turn the page. Page number 6, we have fill in the blanks here. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The direction exactly opposite to rising sun is west. And page number 7, we have 1, 2, 3 questions actually. Okay, but you read only 1 and 3, children. Okay. In which direction does the compass needle point? Which is its opposite direction? Left or right? No need of second bit, children. Third bit. How is a compass useful? Compass is useful to find directions when the signs of nature such as sun is not visible in the sky. Okay, children. Now turn page number 8. 1, 2 and third bit, children. Okay. They have given some clues. You have to write the things here. Places names. And here also they have given the clues. You have to write this. This is very important bit, children. These all you have to read. How do directions help us reach a place using a map? These 3 bits are important, children. Read it. Okay. Now turn the page. We have block 18. Page number 10. We have second one and third one. Complete the table. You have to draw earth and you have to write about it. And third question. Find your city on the globe. Now keep moving west till you complete a circle. Where did you reach and why? This is the answer, children. Okay. Now page number 12, children. Page number 12. Second question. Write the difference between the sun and the moon in the table below. You have to write three points about sun and moon, children. Okay. Page number 13. Why is the sun called a star? The sun is called a star. It has its own heat and light. You have to write this small answer only, children. Okay. Why does the sun look bigger than the other stars? Okay, children. By this, we have completed workbook portion revision, children. Now, I have already given some bits for you, which are not there in your reader classwork or in your workbook. Okay. Now, let's do that one. Okay. Write one way in which the sun is important for plants. Write two ways in which it is important for humans and animals. Okay, children, here it is two ways. If there is a three ways also are there, you can write it gives us heat 1 point and it gives us light 1 point. Okay, children, and third point will be this. First point will be it gives us heat, and second point will be it gives us light, and third point will be this, children. Okay, how the sun is important for plants and humans and animals. Now next, based on the given points, write two things that are different between the earth and the moon. Also write one thing that is same between them. You have to write about two things about moon and earth and one thing same about them. Okay, children. Okay, children, by this we have completed block 18 revision till block 18 revision. What we have for essay revision, children? We have 10, 12, 16, 17 and 18 blocks. What I have given revision, that only you read, children. That only will come in the exam. Okay, children? Learn well, prepare well and write the exam well, children. All the best, children. Thank you.